knock upon my door the other day. I opened it to find her staring in my face.
For the first time in my entire life, I will cook. First, you will wash the vegetables. Second, peel the vegetables. Wash the chicken. Then, cut the nails. After, cut the chicken. Then, voila. Make sure to slice up your veggies. Yan na. Make sure to play with your coconuts and make them. Now, this is the finished product of the coconut. It's coconut oil. Huh. Apil ako din. Iinom na siya, ma. Okay yun, anak ni ma. Check it out. Put as many as you can. All of it you put inside. Then put. Shake it while it's hot. Then shake man, mas chewy man, shake. Cut. Di ka po na kog English, init na kayo. Simat na ko. Dugay kayo mahumag. Last, butang. Gata. Tapos na eh. Naluto na. Pilawan be. Lami kayo? Lami. Sabaw. Ang sabaw. Na. Tilaw na ta. May ate? Hauda na ako eh. Believe na ako sa akong sarili. Naday ko ingani na talent. Kaning orasa ni mangaon na mi sa akong gilut na dang. Chicken curry. Ayun na eh. Tama yan.